Hello children, here I am sharing the Telangana mathematics paper, English version, April 2022. So these are the questions. This paper is for 80 marks. There are 3 sections in this, 2 mark questions, 4 mark questions and 8 mark questions. So this is the section 1. So here the 6 questions. And 7th question. And these are the section 2 questions. There is no internal choice for section 2. Each carries 4 marks. 6 questions you need to attend. Continuation to this, I will explain the solutions also. Those who require, you can have a reference. And these are the 8 mark questions. Need to attempt 4. Each one will have internal choice here. Yes. Extend the question. And 17 the question. Okay. Next, there is a bit paper for 20 marks. Let's solve this bit paper. I have already solved. Let me explain. What is the digit at millions place of the given number? Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Okay. So international system only will have millions. There are no lakhs. So 2 is in the millions place. Option A. How many whole numbers are present in between 15 and 25? 15 and 25, how many whole numbers are there? So this can be solved by like this. In between 15 to 25, if they're asking, so you need to take away from bigger number minus smaller number and minus 1. Okay, so 25 minus 15 is 10. 10 minus 1, which is nothing but 9. So this is big number 2. Okay. So option B. Next. LCM of 8 and 16. Here LCM of 8 and 16, the bigger number is a 16 and 8 is a factor of 16. So the LCM becomes 16. How many endpoints are there for a line segment? A line segment will have 2 endpoints, starting point and the ending point. Next, which of the following is an obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So in this more than 90 degrees is this, another. So option B. The perimeter of a square. Square has all the sides equal. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. So S plus S plus S plus S is a 4S. So answer is B. 4S means 4 into S. Next. Question number 24. Which of the following is a proper fraction? A proper fraction contains less numerator and greater denominator. So here less numerator is a 1. Greater denominator is a 7. Here 1 by 7. So option C. Put an appropriate symbol. -5 dash plus 3. So in between you need to put a greater or lesser or greater than or equal to or equal to. So always we know that negative numbers are smaller than the positive numbers. So you will have a less than sign. How to remember that less than sign? So whatever the greater number is there, you have to open the mouth, crocodile mouth to that side. So the plus 3 is greater. So you need to open this side and close this side. So option A. Next, the value of -4 plus -8 is. Here I will show the working of this. Question number 26, this is -4 plus -8. First we have to solve the brackets. Plus into minus is -8. So like symbols, both are having same symbol. So like symbols are added. 4 plus 8 is 12. And same sign follows. So negative sign only follows. So -12 is the answer. So that is option C. Which of the following is a closed figure? Just by seeing, we can say that this is open here, this is open this side. So only triangle is a closed figure. So option B. So you can easily gain 10 out of 10 in a bits paper. Coming to the question paper solutions, we'll do one by one. Section 1 I'm going to solve. First question. Add -68 and 30. Add symbol is plus. So 30. So these are unlike symbols. One is negative, one is positive. So you need to subtract here. 68 minus 30 gives you 38. Okay. Greater number sign follows. So which is greater number? 68 is a greater number. So it is having a negative sign here. So negative sign follows. Answer is -38. Question number 2. Simplify 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So having same denominator, take the common denominator and add the numerators. So 8 plus 3 gives you 11 by 15. Answer. Next. 3. Find the prime numbers between 10 to 30. In between prime numbers, we have to write. Prime numbers, what is the rule for the prime numbers? They will have 1 and itself as a factors. No other factors will be there. Okay, they should be divided by the only 1 and itself as a number. So 11 is a prime number, 13 is a such a number, no 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 is a prime number, and 19 you will not get in any of the table, and 20 composite, 21 composite, 22, all evens are composite only, 23 is a prime number, and 29. Next, a beater has P number of balls. Okay, number of balls with David is 5 times the balls with the Peter. Peter has P balls. Number of balls with David. There is another person here, David. Is 5 times the balls with Peter. So whatever the Peter is having, he is having more 5 times. So 5 into P, 5 P balls he is having. Right, this is an expression. So the expression is P and 5P only. David has a 5P balls. That's it. Question number 5. A milkman adds 250 ml of water to 1 liter of milk. Find the ratio of water to milk. Ratio they require water to milk. He will add 250 ml of water to the 1 liter of milk. Before we calculate the ratio, the units must be same. Why? Because ratio doesn't have units. So they should have a same unit so that we can cancel their units and we can focus on their numbers. So here it is milliliters and here the liters. So I'm converting the greater number into a smaller units, greater units into a smaller units. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now we have same units, we can neglect the units. So 250 is to 1000. 0, 0 get cancelled. Which table? 25 table goes directly 25 ones are 25 fours. Answer is 1:4. Water is to milk is 1:4. Next, question number 6. HCF of two numbers is 6 and their LCM is 36. HCF of two numbers is 6. Their LCM is 36 given. If one of the number is 12, find the other number is what? When we know the HCM, HCF, when we know the LCM, there is a formula for finding two numbers. I mean, one number given, other number, how can we find it? Product of two numbers is equal to, the formula is product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. LCM into HCF, same. So product of two numbers, other number we don't know. We can take it as a question mark or X also. So question mark into one number is 12. So product of these two numbers, HCF is 6, LCM is 36. We need to find out question mark. Isolate this one. Transpose the number 12 that side. Here it is multiplication. If it comes this side, division. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. So the other number is 6 threes are 18. So the number is 18. Next. 7th question. Yeah. Draw symmetric lines for the following figure. Here they have given a diamond shape. This is what they have given. We need to draw the symmetric lines. Remember, rhombus. Rhombus is having all the sides are equal. Everybody knows. But the diagonals are not equal here. So since we can't make a 4-line, this one, symmetry here, only 2-line symmetry. Like this you can cut here, which is known as horizontal line symmetry. So this portion and this portion is equal. And you can have a vertical line symmetry also. So these both will have a same portion, only that much. So this is having a 2-line symmetry. Square is having 4-line symmetry. So here the section 1 ends, section 2. Eighth question. A bicycle industry makes 650 bicycles each day. Okay. So bicycles for one day. They can make in one day 650 bicycles. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of August. So how many bicycles they can make in August? We know number of days in August. (31st). 31 days we have. We can have this count: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August. So if we get a month on this knuckle, then it is 31 days. If we get a month in between the two knuckles, then we will have a 30 days for that month. So you need to start always counting from here. Okay, so this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So July and August are the consequent months. They both will have 31 days. It is easy to remember. So how many bicycles can be manufactured in 31 days? So number of bicycles, total number of bicycles. What we have to do, one day bicycles we know, many days we want. So multiplication simply, 650 times 31, which is nothing but 20,150 bicycles. 9th question. Using the method of prime factorization, find the LCM of 48, 56, 18. 48, 56, 18 we need to find out through the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means each number you need to do it a prime factorization. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers below 10. Let's check. So let's take 2 table here. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 doesn't go, 3 1s are 3. Okay, coming to the 56. Again, this number is having even place, even number in a units place. So let's divide with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder 16, 2 8s is 16. Okay, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, and 7 is the prime number which goes in 7 table. Next 18. This also divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So 48 can be written as how many 2s? 4 2s, 1 3. In the same way, 56 can be written as 3 2s, 1 7. And 18 can be written as 1 2 3 3. Okay, LCM, least common multiple. Least common multiple is nothing but the product of the numbers, product of the maximum repeated common multiples. Product of maximum repeated common multiples. What are all the numbers we have in these three numbers? 2 is there, 3 is there, 7 is there. So let's see, 2 is repeated for how many times? First we will write common multiples. Common multiples are here 2. 2 is repeated in all the numbers, 3 numbers. Then 3 is a common multiple. 2 times it is repeated, no? And then 7. 7 also there. Okay. So 7 also there. So these multiples, the maximum number of times, how many times repeated, it will become the LCM. See, 2 repeated for how many times maximum? Here 4 times, here 3 times, here just 1 time. So maximum number of times occurrences here 4 times. So we will take 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. Maximum number of 3 occurrences here 2 times, here 1 time. So we will take this 3 into 3. Next, 7 only just one time repeated, only 1 time we take. So the multiplication will become the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 3s are 144, 144 7s are 30, 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10, 1008. So this will become the LCM of these three numbers. Next. Question number 10. Classify the following angles: acute, right, and obtuse angles. They have given 40 degrees, 140 degrees, 90 degrees, 160 degrees, 30 degrees, and 120 degrees. It's very simple. We need to classify whether they are acute angles, obtuse angles, or right angles. We need to classify them. Acute angles are which are in between the 0 degrees to 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees. So what are they? 40 degrees, 30 degrees. And coming to the obtuse angles, so these are done. Obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees, less than 180. More than 90 degrees, is 120, 140, 160. Right angle is just 90 degrees. So So this is the classification of angles given for 4 marks. 11th question. Sureka was given 5/7 of basket of bananas. What fraction of bananas was left in the basket? She was given 5/7 of the basket, 5/7 of a bananas. So what is left? Total parts are how many here? 7. So say out of 7 bananas, 5 are given. So how many is left? 7 minus 5, 2. So you need to represent that in a fraction. So just answer is 2/7. 2/7 parts of the bananas are left. 2 bananas are left out of 7 in the basket. Very simple question. 12th question. Find the area of a rectangle whose measures are given as 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Okay. So given that length is equal to 50 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter. So you need to find out area. Area is equal to length times breadth. Length is 50, breadth is 20. So 2 5 is a 10. And how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. Just put 2 zeros. So centimeter square units are centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So this is the area. 4 mark question. Very simple. Next, 13th question. Lakshmi has paid 56 rupees for 7 books. So cost of 7 books is equal to 56 rupees. Okay. How much would she pay for just 3 books? She want to purchase cost. What is the cost of 3 books? Many books given. 7 books cost is 56. What is the cost of 1 book? We have to find out. 1 book cost is 56/7. So you will get 1 book cost if you do that. Then you want to find out 3 books cost. So that cost into 3. Okay. So first 1 book cost is 56/7. If you do this, you will get cost of 1 book. So 1 book cost into 3 books. If you do, you will get cost of 3 books. So just cancel this 8 times. So 8 3s are 24 rupees. So cost of 3 books is 24 rupees. Cost of 1 book is 8 rupees here. Okay. That's all. The section 2 ends here. Section 3, 14 mark questions. I just took it one of the question here. First we'll solve this 15th question. So in a class of 25 students, like various games, the details are shown in the following paragraph. No students play more than 1 game. Kabaddi. So how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students are playing Kabaddi? It is not, so I will change the color 7. Here 4 students play tennis court, badminton 5. Okay, 3, 6, cricket 6. How many students play badminton? Very simple, just to see the data from here and write 5 numbers. No? Which game is played by most of the numbers? So which is played Kabaddi? Kabaddi. Kabaddi. Okay. What is the game in which least number of students are interested? So least number of students tennis court, because very less people played. Maybe so many of you don't know tennis court also. It's a rubber ring type game, which is very easy. We used to play a lot. How many students do not play any game? How can we find out that? Yeah, there is a way. First, you need to find out the total number of students here, those who participated in different games. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So 22 children played out of 25 students. So 25 minus 22 gives you 3, just 3. So 3 students didn't participate in any of the game here. Okay. So this is 15th question I solved before only. Now we will do section 3 one by one, except this. 14th A. There are 32 students in a class of which 12 are girls. Number of students. Number of girls 12. Find the first one. The ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. So boys to the girls they are asking. First, we don't know the number of boys. We know the total number of students. From that, we can find out number of boys. 32 minus 12. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 1, 220 students. So the ratio could be 20 is to 12. You can simplify this. 2 table goes 2 tens are 2 6 are 2 5s are 2 3s are. So this is the ratio of boys to the girls. Second one. The ratio of number of boys to the total number of students. Boys to the total. Boys is 32. Total is how many? I'm sorry. Boys is 20. And total number of students are 32. So 10 is to 60. 5 is to 8. This is the total number of students. So 14th A done. Let's see 14th B. Abhishek traveled 5 kilometers, 28 meters by bus. Bus distance. Kilometers I'm writing here and meters I'm writing. 28 meters you will have 2 digits because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So in 100 we have 2 zeros, no? So we will have 2 digits in the here. Next 2 kilometers and 26 meters. Okay. By car. This is by car. And the rest by foot. 1 kilometer and 30 meters. So under the kilometer you have to write all the kilometers. Under the meter you need to write all the digits meters. How much distance did he travel? So total distance. 6 plus 8, 14. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Next, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 kilometers, 84 meters is the total distance. Okay. 15th A, we need to do. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, and by 6? We need to check. Okay. First, 3, 2, 1, 2. Is it divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 2, 3, 6? We need to check. Is it divisible by 2? 3, 6? We need to check. The units place has an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 3. Let's add 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. It is not a multiple of 3, so it's not divisible by 3. So, divisibility rule of 6 is it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only it can be divisible by 6. But here, it is divisible by only 2, not 3. So, hence it is not divisible by 6. Next number, 1972. So, we need to check. 2, 3, 6. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Add 9 plus 1, 10. 17, 18, 19. 19 is not a multiple of 3, so it's not divisible. So it's not divisible by 3, so it's not divisible by 6 also. Another number, 43336. So let's check 236. Hence, it is having 6 in the units place, it is divisible by 2. What about 3? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 16. 10 plus 6, 16. It's not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible. Hence it is not multiple of a 3. So it is not divisible by 6 also. 2 more numbers. 80052. 236. Units place is having the 2, it is divisible. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 14, 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. So hence it is divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6 also. 72642. I'm sorry, 42. 236. Units place 2, it is divisible. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 2, 20, 21. 21 means it is divisible. This is also divisible. You need to write in a statement form, it is divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 6, like that. In a statement form, if you represent, you can score here 8 out of 8 marks. 15B already we discussed. 16th question. Vasudha's birthday, her father bought a flower bouquet that contains 18 flowers in one. Okay, number of flowers are if the ratio of red flowers to the yellow, red is to yellow, 1:2. Find the number. So how many red are there? How many yellow are there? So 1:2 means these are ratio. These are not a one red flower, one yellow flower. So these are parts of the flowers. So let's take 1x plus 2x is equal to total number of flowers 18. So 3x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 by 3. 6. So x is equal to 6. Therefore, red flowers is one part na 1 into 6. 6 each part is 6 we have. Yellow 2 parts, no? So 2 into 6. 12. That's 6 and 12. And write the following decimals in ascending order. In this two bits are there. Ascending means what? Ascending and to dinosaur means small to big. Small to big arrow. First we need to compare the whole numbers. Okay. So small, which is a small? 0 is a small. Okay. In this 0 point, so there are two numbers. But after the decimal point, the first number is here 0, first number is here 1. So first decimal place I have compared. Since these two are having the same whole numbers, I compared first decimal part. So this is a small. So this is done. Next small is obviously this. And these two are having same whole numbers 1. So let's compare the first decimal places. So 0 is the small. So let's take it. And obviously this is last. As well, B bit 8.6, 8.59, 8.09, 8.8. Here, these two numbers are having two decimal places. These two numbers are having one decimal place. So convert into a like decimals. Put 0. Put here also 0. Ascending order. Small to big. All are started with the 8 only. So you need to compare with the first decimal place. If they are equal, you need to compare the second decimal place. So first decimal place, which is a small, this is a small 0. So let's write first. Then second decimal place is this 5 is a small 8.59. Then this is the 8.60 and this 8.80. So last question. Seventeenth question. A bit angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees, angle PQR is equal to 120 degrees. So this is just construction with the protractor. Use protractor, not construction. You need to draw a line. Okay, any of the length. Okay, so BC you keep because B is equal to 60 degrees here. Put your protractor here and put 60 degrees. So this could be like this. This is a model picture, 60 degrees. Coming to the B, 120 degrees. How do you get 120 degrees? PQR, Q should be 120 degrees. So first QR here. So 120 means this obtuse angle. So it could be 120. You need to place your protractor here and 120 degrees you need to count 0 like a 90 straight next to 120 obtuse angle. B. Represent the following integers on a number line. So draw one number line. You can take one number line and write all the numbers on one. or else you can take different number lines for each bit and you can draw it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the ruler only. This could be happen. 1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay. So first option A, +4. +4 is this. This is A. Next, -6. This is B. Next, +8. This is C. Next, D, -5. D. And E0. F -7. So this is what. So simple. 6th class paper is. Keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel, and get beneficial by earning knowledge. I will explain all the mathematical solutions in an easy way. Keep texting whatever you require. So in my leisure time, I'll try to post all your doubts. Thank you.